Hi guys, I have more poinsettias. Now I didn't get a super great deal on these, like I didn't get the 2-cent poinsettias at Walmart, but I didn't get a bad deal either. So when I go out and about, sometimes you just gotta take things as you see them. So yesterday, Clay got me the pink poinsettia and the white poinsettia, and they each cost $1. And I got these at Lowe's. Now I have some plants I'm going to move out of here. That's that dish garden that some of them look like they're passing. That's the red poinsettia that he got me. And this is a red Chinese evergreen that's growing. I have a couple other starts here. I'm moving things around, but just in case you want to see the other plants here. Made some plant hangers too as well. So there you go. More poinsettia. These guys do not like being outside or cold, or the cold, that they actually grow into a bush. So I'm hoping to get them growing nice, and then when the weather's warmer to bring them outside and then to bring them in again. But aren't they pretty? And so I thought I'd put some of my Chinese evergreen and just move things around. I'm always moving plants around to make things look good, but I wanted to put like the pointy, thicker leaves over here. Of course, there's my little garden girl. And this is I can't think what the name is, a surprise, I think it's called a surprise Dracaena. It has like curly leaves. This guy was almost dead, and he's doing all right. So hopefully in the summer, he'll really kick off. So there you go, more poinsettia. Settia. Poinsettia. Okay, guys. Remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.